Wouldn't have actually.
You wouldn't have.
I've just pooed in yours. That's disgusting.
Put the flash on!
No.
Lucy, put the flash on. God, you're like a what gimp. What have you just done, Lucy? What have you just done?
Chloe and Sophie, Jess are gonna think I'm horrible.
Lucy, I peed too.
But we peed in Chloe's backyard.
I know.
I'm so sorry. You think differently of me now, don't you?
Not really.
You think I'm horrible. You think, why couldn't she have just held a pee in?
Which one do you press?
The up button, and I can't put it on my period, which makes it worse. And I'll wake up in the morning and have wee stains in my pad.
My sock's outside because it's got wee on it.
I'm sorry.
Really okay?
It's not acceptable peeing in someone's back garden. I tell my mum and she'll be like, Lucy, I can't believe you did